Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see subscribed channels on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to see the subscribed channels on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening a YouTube app, guys, you'll land on this kind of interface where you can see the subscriptions button over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, just beside your profile. And if that does not appear, scroll down a little bit and that will appear like this. You can see, tap on subscriptions, and over here at the top of the screen you can see the list, and tap on all button at the right side, and all of the channels which you had subscribed to will be over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see your subscribed channels on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.